In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a white outline to an image using Canva in 2024. This simple yet effective skill can really enhance the design of your thumbnails or any graphic project that needs a standout image stroke. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. If you're new to Canva, you'll need to create an account, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Right below the search bar, hover around until you spot the option for a custom size. Now, let's create our canvas. Set the dimensions to 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is perfect for a square design, which works wonderfully for many social media platforms and thumbnail displays. After entering these dimensions, go ahead and click Create New Design to get started. Once your blank canvas is ready, let's give it a background color. Click on the canvas to change it, and then head over to the floating toolbar where you'll find the background color option. Since we're adding a white outline to our image, it's best to choose a solid or a gradient color for the background that will complement the white outline we'll be applying. After selecting a background color, it's time to add your image. On the left side panel, you'll see an upload icon. Click it to upload your image. If you haven't already uploaded your image, you can do so now. Choose the image you want to use, click on it, and it will appear on your canvas. You can then resize and reposition the image to your liking. Now, let's remove any unwanted background from your image. Click on your image and head to the floating tool, where you will find the BG Remover tool. This tool is extremely helpful in isolating your subject from the background, preparing it for the outlining process. Once the background is removed, click Edit from the floating toolbar. Navigate down to the Effects section and click on Shadows. Here, you will find the Outline option. Clicking on this will apply a basic outline to your image. To adjust the outline to your preference, click on the Color and Size settings. While the default may be a simple black or colored outline, we're aiming for a striking white outline, so make sure to change the color to white. Explore the size settings for the outline to ensure it perfectly frames your image. Feel free to experiment with these settings until you achieve the desired look. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you're done. You've successfully added a clean, professional white outline to an image using Canva. This technique is perfect for making your image pop, whether you're designing a striking thumbnail or any other creative project. Keep practicing and have fun with your designs.